What's up guys, Timbex here. Today I thought of making a small video about how to remove the battery from an old Royal Enfield, the one which you see right behind me, this one. It's a 1990 Royal Enfield Machismo 350, and the process for removing the battery in almost all the old Royal Enfields is pretty much the same. So I'm going to show you very quickly how to remove the battery in the old Royal Enfield. So I have my friend Jefferson with me. Say hi, Jeffy. You might have seen him from my travel vlogs. Okay, so the first step is there's only one key in this bike that starts the bike, as well as it is used for all the other locks like the storage box and the battery casing and all. So we are going to use this key to open the battery cover. Okay, so come on. Okay, so once you open the box, you have this cover. I think this is just a rubber cover for protection and making the battery waterproof, I guess. And then there's this rubber band which is holding the rubber protection. So we're gonna try to remove this band now. Yes, the band is off and the battery is out. So that's it. The battery is now visible clearly. All we have to do now is be careful and remove these nuts and bolts and remove the battery carefully out. Okay, so the bolts are out now and you have to carefully remove the wires and then just pull it out, and there you have it. That's how you remove a battery from an old Royal Enfield. It's that simple. And one more quick update. If you have been following my Instagram account, you might have noticed that I was traveling a lot recently and I spotted quite a lot of cool cars and bikes. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure to check out that page. I have a lot of cool pictures there. I do a little bit of good photography as well. So make sure you check out my content. And then here's a small sneak peek of what you can expect the next video to be on my YouTube channel. Yep, that's the Hyosung 250R. It's the 2010 version. It's the old one. It belongs to a friend of mine and he has lent me this bike to make a ownership review. So yeah, you can expect that video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye.